bloody freezing. I've been out here for about an hour. Chasing tailor, had no luck. I thought I'd have a crack with throwing out one of my old school metals and using it as a beach casting jig. So basically letting it sink to the bottom, giving it a flick up, and just hopping it along the bottom. I've had a lot of success catching salmon with this technique in the past. I wasn't going for salmon here, I was hoping for, a tailor or a skippy or whatnot. Sometimes when you're having no luck, you just got to try something different. I forgot my beach jigs as well. I've had some decent results with the Halco twister using this sort of beach jigging technique. As usual, I turned the camera off, a couple casts in and got a lovely hit. It was bloody cold, it's pissing down with rain, so I was happy to catch something because I was going to pack up pretty quickly. I was absolutely saturated. One of those days when even your raincoat starts soaking through. But if you're out on these days, you're always going to catch some fish if other people aren't out. I think it was a 28 gram Savage gear. Nice skippy. Played him straight away. Because skippy have got quite firm flesh, they're not too bad to fillet. You can really hug along the backbone and go around the rib cages. So after taking the fillets off, instead of just taking out a few of the pin bones, I'm going to cut right down the bloodline because the bones go all the way down to the end. So I'm taking that on. I'm leaving the skin on at this point just because the silver skin tends to stick. And I'm going to sashimi this as well. So I want to get rid of any of that red meat or silver meat as well. I've given the chopping board a bit of a rinse just to get away some of those scales and just taking the skin off here. Here I've probably gone a little bit close with the skin to the meat and left a little bit of that, silver skin. Because I'm going to eat it raw, I'm definitely going to cut this off. If I was just going to cook it in the pan, I wouldn't bother. When you're eating it raw, you're going to taste everything, so you want to get rid of any of the sort of bloodlines or little bits of silver. Again here, I'm just going to chop it off. When eating raw fish, you don't eat a huge amount, so a little bit of wastage isn't too bad. Better off getting it right. After giving the board another wipe down, I start slicing. So here I'm avoiding any sawing action and just doing one straight slice. You want a really sharp knife if you can. Keep it as thin as you can. Along with skippy, I think kingfish and mahi or dolphin fish are probably my two favourite to sashimi. My favourite way to eat the Skippy is just with some soy and wasabi. However, this time I thought I'd do a bit of a freestyle ceviche. I went to my old man's and he gave me a whole pineapple, and I thought I'd give that a crack. So I raided the fridge, found some capsicum and diced it up finely. I put that with some garlic, onion, and some chili, all finely diced. Just about half a garlic clove is fine. And about a third of onion. I would have used red onion if I had it. This is a bird's eye chili. It was pretty damn hot. In hindsight, I would have used jalapeno or just put a lot less chili in it because it overpowered it a little bit. I sliced up the pineapple earlier in the day for my daughter and kept a few chunks for this ceviche. Got the lime juice. I'll put all the ingredients in a bowl, chuck in the fish and pour over the lime juice. The lime juice will slowly cook the Skippy. I'll let it sort of marinate for about 1 to 2 minutes and then it's ready to eat. I'll put a little bit of olive oil in there as well to give it a bit of a glisten. Salt and pepper too. And I'll put it in a nice bowl so it looks nice. I would have put coriander here if I had any. I only had a little bit of dill. Bloody delicious. If I did this again, I'd probably just use pineapple, coriander, jalapeno and lime. The onion was a bit too much, but the pineapple and the Skippy together were bloody beautiful. Thanks for watching. For more Perth Metro videos, please subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section.